Hey guys, it's Mike Lowry, and a lot of times I'm in store and I get that question, what is a Cristalino tequila? Well, I'll tell you what it is. It's basically a Reposado or an Anejo tequila that has been put through a very fine charcoal filtration. I mean like super fine, so fine that it actually removes color, and it also removes a little bit of that oaky flavor that might be left over from the barrel aging that a Repo and an Anejo go through. And so you might know Patron, they just came out with a brand new Cristalino. There's also a really kind of price approachable El Padrino Cristalino, if you're just kind of trying for the first time. And then there's this great Reposado Cristalino made by Mi Familia, one of my favorites. You know, I think if you're a vodka drinker, or if you like more of a neutrally kind of experience in a spirit, I actually think that a Cristalino might very much appeal to you. On the rocks, very simple, twist of lemon or lime. You're gonna love that smoothness, a hint of sweetness, and it just goes down real easy. Try a Cristalino.